So, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are learning how we can configure a router and connect it through a PC. That is simply give IP to router and connect to PC. So for the beginners, you can use the Packet Tracer Lab. Okay. So first time, whenever you are opening this Packet Tracer Lab, it will seem such like interface. Okay. Now, for your better understanding, just I am closing it for once more and opening it once more. Okay, close it, and here you see I have installed my Packet Tracer and just double click on it. So maximize it. So here you see lots of icons. The first icon is for routers. Second icon is for switch. Third icon is for hub. Fourth icon is for wireless. And fifth icon is for cables connections. And in below, we have end device. That is your PC. If you are clicking this end device, you get your different types of PC, laptop, servers, etc. So for the beginning, we have to do or choose the router. So click on here, the router sign, and choose the best router. I think 2811 series router is the best router series of Cisco. Cisco 2811 series router is the one of the leading and very fast operational router. So now on the other hand, we have to take our end device, that is PC or laptop. So for your understanding, we can simply choose laptop. Now router or and laptop are both similar device. Router, PC are both similar device. So for similar device, we have to use our cross cable. So how can we choose our cross cable? So by clicking the connection, and here we see this cross cable, that is copper crossover cable. Click here and take it here and click on the router. You see lots of ports are available. So I am choosing here fast Ethernet 0x0 and connect to fast Ethernet 0 of the laptop. So our basic connection will be done. Now for security reason, this router's ports are by default off. So we have to enable it. Whenever we are connecting router and PC successfully, and then this red sign will turn green. So go to router. It is very simple. Just click on here and go for command line. Okay. So I am maximizing it. Now what we have to do? Just very simple. No. That is continue with configuration dialog, yes or no. So as we are configuring the router, that is I am not going with the company's default setting. So as we are configuring router by our own, so we are just giving it no. That is continue with configuration dialog. That is no. So no. Just enter. You see there is router in this mode is called user execution mode. So from user execution mode, we have to go our hash mode, that is privilege mode. So we have to type en or simply enable, en and tab. See, enable. So and enter. So now configure, that is from hash mode to global config mode. Terminal. Okay. Now we are in global configuration mode. So now we have to change our router name. So what is the command? Host name. Any name you can give in. Say I am giving here R0. You see, router by default name, router name is changed to R0. Okay. Now, now we have to go to the interface mode to configure the IP. That is, if I am minimizing the screen, see, here is the port number is FA0 by 0. Okay. So I am giving here a IP. So simply I am giving here, say, 10.0.0.1 IP. So now we are giving IP to fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So interface FA0, or you can simply tap this fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Okay. Then IP, to give the IP address to IP, then address 10.0.0.1. One thing is that the tab key is very useful for Cisco to get full command. Okay. Then 255.0.0.0. So it is the subnet mask for class A, because 10 series is the class A range IP. If you give class B IP, then you have to put 255.255.0.0. If you give class C range IP, then in subnet part you have to put 255.255.255.0 and enter. Now, to open that router port, so by default for security reason, router port is shut down, so, or off. So we have to know shutdown. You see, the interface FA0 by 0 change state to off. Okay. So if we are minimizing it, see, this red sign is gone. It is now green. So router port is open. So how to keep, or how to know that in fast Ethernet 0 by 0 what IP you have got. So simply exit from here, exit from this mode, and again exit from this mode, and we are getting my privilege mode, that is hash mode. Then show IP interface brief. So you see, I am configuring fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and its IP address is 10.0.0.1 and it is off. Okay. Now we are configuring the PC. Just close it and going to PC. So to configure a PC, one thing must be clear, is that what is the default gateway. So default gateway is the exit point or entry point of any network. So for the case of this laptop, what is its default gateway? So for the case of this laptop, whenever any packet going outside from here laptop, it will first go to FA0 by 0 port. That is FA0 by 0 port IP is its default gateway. So if I am giving IP to laptop, say I am giving any IP 10.0.10, then its default gateway, I am writing it in short DG, it will be 10.0.0.1. Now we are implementing this IPs. So just click on it and go to desktop, then IP configuration, then write this on your IP. So you have to assign, or you want to assign 10.0.0.10. So 10 dot 0, sorry, 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 10. Now click on here is subnet mask, and default gateway will be 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 1. So your PC part is completed, and just close it. Now you have to check which IP PC got. So for this case, click on here and go to PC's command prompt. Then type IP config. You see this IP you have got, and this is default gateway. Now default gateway is the router's IP. So I am ping the default gateway to check my connection is established or not. You see the connection is established. Now check from other side, that is from router. So in router we are going to I am already in privilege mode. So from privilege mode you have to ping the PC IP, that is 10.0.10. You see the sending 5 packet, and the success rate of ping is 10%, that is 5 by 5. So this is the simple connection. How can you connect to PC to router? So that's all for this day. So thank you. Keep watching my YouTube channel and be addicted to technology. Thank you, everything. And thank you for all.